Hello everyone, my name is Iva Malida and my last is number 5. In this video, I'm going to present my Morpho-Syntax midterm test regarding Morphemic coding analysis. Morphemic coding analysis is essential because it helps us understand how complex words are constructed from smaller units of meaning. I have chosen 5 words from the list to analyze using 3 diagrams. And then let's get started. The first word is semicircle. If we look at the 3 diagram, the root here is circle, which is a free morphem and functions as a noun. Then we have the prefix semi. Semi is a bound morphem, specifically a derivational prefix, because it modifies the meaning of the root. When combined, they form a new noun semicircle, which means half of a circle. So this is a simple structure of prefix and noun. Next, we have roommate. This word is interesting because it contains 2 free morphems, room and mate. This is what we call a compound word. However, the analysis doesn't stop here. We also have the suffix s at the end. This s is a bound morphem, specifically an inflectional suffix, because it doesn't change the word category. It's still a noun, but it changed the grammatical function from singular to plural. So, in the 3 diagrams, we join room and mate first, and then we attach the plural maker s. The third is transplanted. The root of this word is the verb plant, which can stand alone as a free morphem. First, we attach the prefix trans, which mean across or to change. Trans is a derivational bound morphem. Now we have the verb transplant. Then we add the suffix ed, similar to the plural as before. Ed is an inflectional suffix that marks the past tense. So the structure is prefix, verbs, and inflectional suffix. Moving on to a more complex word, humanitarianism. This word has several layers of bound morphems. The core root is human. First, we add ed, which turns it into humanity. Then we add Aryan, making it humanitarian. Finally, we add the suffix ism, which creates the noun humanitarianism, referring to a belief or system. All these suffixes are derivational because they create new meanings and sometimes change the word's nuance at each level. This is a great example of how a single root can grow into a very long, specific academic term. And the last word is craftsmanship. This word also has a compound-like structure. We have the free morphems craft and the free morphem man. But notice the s in the middle. In morphology, this is often treated as an interfix or a linking element that connects the two roots. After we get craftsman, we then add the suffix ship. Ship is a pound-derivational suffix used to create an abstract noun. So, craftsmanship refers to the skill or quality of a craftsman. In the tree diagram, you can see how each part is layered to build the final meaning. To wrap up, morpheme coding shows us that even complex words like humanitarianism or craftsmanship have a logical structure. Understanding these layers is key to mastering English syntax and morphology. I think that's all for my presentations. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.